cowboy contender, and he's off on a bender, just trying to prove he's a man. Well, it's a late Friday night, and he's just lost the fight. Tomorrow he'll come back and do it again. But when Monday rolls round, he drives into town to work that assembly line. 'Cause the bills never stop, so he's punching that clock while he waits for the weekend to come one more time. He just waits for the weekend and does all that he can to keep all those working man's blues on the run. And he sings all week long some old honky-tonk song while he waits for the weekend to come. Well, it's his impression that this here recession will force him to mortgage his home. 'Cause he's strictly blue collar and he can't save a dollar. He just keeps making payments on things he can't own. But the girls down at Martin's are having a party this Friday at 8:45. So he spends his daydreams on those honky-tonk queens till the wine and the weekend bring him back to life. He just waits for the weekend, does all that he can to keep all those working man's blues on the run. And he sings all week long some old honky-tonk song while he waits for the weekend to come.